Hi students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to continuous rational numbers. So today we will learn the concept of period and periodicity of decimal numbers and rational numbers convert into decimal numbers and also decimal numbers convert into rational numbers. Now in previous class we have learnt what is a rational number, what is a terminating decimal and also non-terminating recurring decimal. Now every rational number can be expressed as terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal, and also every terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal or recurring decimal is also can be written as rational numbers. Now what is a period? So period means the recurring part. Recurring means repeating. The recurring part of the non-terminating recurring decimal is called a period. The recurring part of the non-terminating recurring decimal is called a period. For example, so 1.66 and so on, we can be written as 1.6 bar, 1.6 bar. So here in a decimal fraction there are how many digits are repeated here? Sorry, which digit are repeated here? 6 is repeated. So here that is we can be written as 6 bar. So this is we are ready as a 1.6 bar. So the recurring part of the non-terminating, the recurring part. So here recurring part is a 6. So 6 is a period. Now in a second example, 0.87575 can be written as 0.875. So here 7575 is a repeating. So here on these two digits, so you write the bar. This is the bar. So this is the 0.875 bar. So recurring part is a 75. So period is a 75. In 12.28, in 12.28 bar, period is a, so recurring part is a 8. I don't know what is a periodicity. What is a periodicity? So periodicity means number of digits in the recurring part of the non-terminating recurring decimal is called a periodicity. Number of digits in the recurring part of the non-terminating recurring decimal is called periodicity. So number of digits. So here how many number of digits are repeated here? 1 digit repeated here. So periodicity is 1. So here in 0.875 bar, how many digits are repeated here? 2. That is the periodicity is 2. In 12.28 bar, how many digits are repeated? 1. So 1 is the periodicity of this one. Now, so here 0.729 periodicity is how many digits are repeated here? 29. So how many are there? Are 2. So that is a 2. In 0.57 bar, how many repeated? 2. So that is a 2. Periodicity is a 2. As well as So 0.285714. So how many repeated here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So periodicity is a 6. And now another example. 5.785. In this, what is the period and what is the periodicity? So period is recurring part is this one. 85 is the period. How many digits are repeated? 2 digits are repeated, that is 8 and 5. So 2 is the periodicity. Okay. Now rational numbers convert into decimal numbers. So rational numbers convert into decimal numbers. How do we are converting rational numbers into decimal numbers? So 7 by 9, for example 7 by 9. So you are numerator divided by the 9, you will get a decimal part. So this will goes to 7 will goes to 9th table, no. So we put point, we take 0, that is a 9 9 ja 81, 9 8 ja 72. This will goes to 9 7 ja 63. You will get a 7. And also you take another 0. Once again this will goes to 9 7 ja 63. Remember 7 and also 7. You get a remainder 7. So this is a which type of decimal number? This is a terminating or non-terminating recurring? This is a non-terminating, because will not get a remainder 0. So this is a non-terminating. Here last digits are repeating. So that is a 0.779. We can be written as, and so on. We can be written as 0.7 bar. So 7 by 9 is equal to 0.7 bar. And also another example, 53 by 99. 53 by 99. So here 53 divided by 99. So in 99 table 53 will come? No. So you put point, we will take 0. So this will goes to 99 5 ja 5 9 ja 45. And 5 9 ja 45 plus 4. Oh. 49. So in this we take a borrow, that is a 10. So 5 is a take out from 10, that is a 5. So here remaining 2. So 9 is a take out from 2, no, we will take borrow, that is a 12. So 9 is a take out from 12, that is a 3. So here remainder 4, the remaining 4, 0. Next we will take 0. This will goes to 99 3 ja 3 9 ja 27, 3 9 ja 27, 28, 29, 297. So 7 is taken from 10, there is a 3. Here 4 is remaining. So here 14. 9 is taken from 14 is a 5. So here remain here 0. So once again we take 0. So So this will goes to 99. 5 ja 4 95. That is a 5. Here remainder to 3. We take 0. Once again this will cost 99. 3 ja 297. So remainder is a 53. So this is and so on. So 53 by 99 is equal to 0.53 bar, and 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is, we are converting into decimal, so that is a 3 is will divided by 4. So in fourth table 3 will comes, no, so you put the point, we take 0, so this will goes to 4 7 ja 28, and also 4 8 ja 32. This will goes to 4 8 ja 4 7 ja 28. So 8 is taken from 0, no, so we take borrow, that is a 10. So 8 is taken from 10, we get 2, here 0. Next we take 0, 4 5 ja 20. So we will get a remainder 0. So 3 by 4, that equal to 0.75. It is a decimal fraction of 3 by 4, decimal number of 3 by 4. Okay. Now decimal numbers, how to we are converting to rational numbers. Decimal numbers, how to we are converting to rational numbers. So suppose 0.75, 0.75, how to we are converting to rational. So here after point how many digits are there, after point how many digits are there, 2 digits, as many zeros we can write, we take, and also we write 1, that is a 100. So 0.75 is a multiple and divided by 100, then we will get 0.75 into 100 is a 75 by 100. So here 0.75 into 100, 1 5 ja 1 7 ja 1 0 0. So here 2 zeros are there, so here you write 2 zeros. After point how many digits are there, 2 digits. You put the point after 2 digits from right to left, that is the 75. So 0.75 into 100 is 75 by 100. So this will go, this is the cancellation with the 50 table. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 20 ja 100. Once again this will goes to 5 table. 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, that is equal to 3 by 4. So 0.75 is equal to 3 by 4, and 0.5 is equal to, so 0.5 into, after point how many digits are there, 1 digit, you write 1 0 and also put 1. So 0.5 is a multiple and divided by 10. So that is a 0.5 into 10 is a 5 by 10. 5 1 ja 5 2 ja, that is equal to 1 by 2. So here 0.75 and 0.5 are a terminating decimals. Terminating decimals. So terminating decimals, how to we are converting rational number, this like. And also another example 0.875, that equal to 0.875. After point how many digits are there, 1 2 3. So you write, we take 3 zeros and you put 1, that is a 1000. So 0.875 is a multiple with multiple only divided by 1000. So that is a 875. 0.875 into 1000 is a 875 by 1000. So this is cancelled with 50 table. 5 2 is 10. This is one cancelled with 50 table. 5 1 5, 3 remaining 37, 5 7 35, 2 remaining 25, 5 5 25. This will goes to again with fifth table, 5 4 20, 5 3 15, 2 remaining 5 5 and also again with 5 table, 5 7 35, 5 8 40, that is equal to 7 by 8. So 0.875 is equal to 7 by 8 and 1.2, this is a decimal number. This is how to we are convert into rational, that is 1.2 into, after point how many digits are there? 1. You take 1 0 and also put 1. So 1.2 is a multiple and divided by 10. 1.2 into 10 is 12 by 10. So this is cancelled to table. 2 6 12, 2 5 that is equal to 6 by 5. So I will give some question for you. You are find the period and the periodicity of 1.72 bar and 2.075 and 0.087 and 1.03456 bar. Okay, tomorrow we will continue the class.